the best and fastest website migration service from me, where the NEGB file. So this is the LX. So this is the 4 GB, almost 4 GB file. So I am uploading from the GitHub and check my speed. So within 1 hour, within some minute, you can solve it. So I hope it will be complete within the 5 minutes. So check the speed. So speed is per minute 2 or 3% completed. So this is the, if I am using the RDP service, so this is the VPS I have bought it for migrating application. So this is the migrating application I already did uploaded. So after uploaded, so I am check my speed here. So this is the speed of my RDP. So almost 2 GB speed I am using. In this, for this the fastest application I am using this to migrate one client application. So this is the I am using the cpanel to Plex. So cpanel to cpanel or server to server or server change, you can contact me. The better service for me within fastest time, 1 hour or 2 hours, you can get the complete migration has been completed within some hour. So maximum times within 5 hours if you have more than 100 GB application. So I can within 5 to 6 hours I can complete the migration service very fastest for not to down any downtime for your application. So best of luck. You can contact me to get the service, any migration service, hosting to hostings, cpanel to cpanel, or any server change. You can contact me there to get the best service ever. Also, you can contact me in my portfolio. So you can contact me. This is my portfolio. Any issue you can contact me. I will help you. Best of luck. So best of luck.